Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your TCL Tab 10L. So in order to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, and here we want to enter Firefox. Hit the search button, now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app and begin customizing it. So you can choose a theme, pick a toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices, read a privacy notice, and after all that, click on Start Browsing. Last option is to set the Firefox as a default browser after you click on Start Browsing. Now let's open any website. And as you can see, pages load without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.